This is LmKeith here in beautiful sunny Junction City, Oregon at BISH'S RV, and I am going to walk around and show you this little Rockwood trailer. It's an A122, which means it's an A-frame. It's a little pop-up and lots of fun things about it. It's a good starter RV. All right, let's just take a quick look at the outside. We've got a nice little table here that is removable, and you can put your, really easy. Here's your propane hookup so that you could put your little barbecue out here if you need to. Lots and lots of storage, especially for such a little RV. Oh wow, and it moves around. You can get Wi-Fi, more storage, like a ton more storage. That locks up. Your outdoor shower, your power, 30 amp. Power jack, much easier than the old time crank ones. Your propane tanks, your batteries, good covers, protect them from the weather. And we'll go in. So we've got a wonderful, nice queen-size bed, and we've got microwave. We've got plenty of headroom, obviously, because I am mid-size. So we've got a little mini fridge, good under-the-counter storage. We've got a hot and cold running sink. We've got a 3-burner stove. Nice little dinette, folds down so you can make a bed out of it. So there's another probably double size bed, not totally queen, but an adult could curl up there quite nicely. Well, and another great thing, we've got 3 skylights that lets in a lot of extra light. And when you're laying down in the bed, you can watch the stars. If you have any questions about this unit or any others that we carry, then give BISH'S RV a call, Junction City.